Good morning, class 4. Welcome to today's class of mathematics, and our strand is division. We are going to look on how we need to divide numbers. Yesterday we were dividing numbers by sharing, and you'll agree with me that it is a quite involving process, especially when you're given bigger numbers. For example, when I give a number like 75, dividing by 5. Sharing is the most stable method when I'm dealing with dividing numbers. But in this case, it is a bit involving. How will you draw 75 boards here? And then you group them into 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. It's going to take your time and it's going to take your energy. So, to bring it easier for you, I will have to take you through what we are calling long division method. With long division method, it will be easier for you to divide bigger numbers comfortably. And taking you through yesterday's work, or the previous class work, where we divided by sharing, we had a number like 12 divided by 4. 12 divided by 4, this we define as sharing. We share 12 among 4, where you are supposed to have 12 items. 12 items can be 12 sweets, it can be 12 bananas, it can be 12 pens, and you want to share it to your 4 friends. So how are you supposed to share it? Let's assume that you have 12 oranges. You draw how many oranges? You're supposed to draw 12 oranges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then you group them into 4. This is how we grouped in the previous class. You draw a rectangle big enough, and then make sure you have 4 lines. Draw 4 lines inside your figure. 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are the lines. Take them to big groups now. How many groups do we have? We have 4 groups. We want to share our 12 into 4. You shared the way you did it yesterday. The work was well done. This is just a revision to remind ourselves what we started yesterday, so that as we move on to today's work, we don't forget our previous class. No, you put it here, there, and the last one on the last line. Now it comes to check the number of boards we have on each line. How many boards do you have on each line? The first one we have 1, 2, 3, we have 3. Here you count confirm. You realize that on each line you have 3. That implies that when you have 12 boards and you are sharing these boards to your 4 friends, each of them will get 3 boards. So alternatively, we can work out this number without using boards, without counting. Come on, grade 4, you are now in class 4. Let's work out maths like class 4s now, and we forget lower primaries. For example, I have my number like 78. I want to divide 78 by 5. I want to divide 78 by 5. You discover that when you go to this first method, the method that we talked to the previous class, the sharing, it is a bit cumbersome, quite involving drawing 78 boards. So what we need to do here, you write your number and write number going downward. This is how we write 78, and then introduce long division symbol covering 78 in that manner. That's the symbol. And on this side, you write the number you're dividing. You're dividing by 5 right here. 5. Once I've done that, you formulate a table of 5 here. Come again to my class 4s. We are still on the table. We are still on the mastering. We are still mastering the concepts. Hence, a table here is a must. Form a table, and we are going to form a table with 5 from 1 to 10. Have 5 multiplied by 1. 5 multiplied by 1, what do you get? 5 multiplied by 1, this gives you 5. 5 multiplied by 2, 5 times 2. Add 5 here to get the next multiple, which is 10. 5 multiplied by 3. Add 5 here, you have 15. 5 multiplied by 4. Add 5 onto 15, get 20. 5 multiplied by 5. Add 5 here, get 25. 5 multiplied by 6. Add 5, get 30. 5 multiplied by 7. Add 5 here, get 35. 5 multiplied by 8. Add 5 here to get the next multiple, which is 40. 5 multiplied by 9. Add 5 onto 40, get 45. 5 multiplied by 10. Add 5 onto 45 to get 50. Once you have your table, division becomes easy. Now come to a number. We have 78, divide it by 5. Come to a number, 78 it is, you split it into single digits. 78, it is a 2-digit number. You split it in single digit. I'm going to split it to have 7 and 8. Have you seen that? We have 7 and 8. Look at the first number. The first number is 7. 7 is bigger than 5. If it is bigger than 5, you proceed on dividing directly. If it is less, I'll guide you as we move on with your studies. So our number 7 is bigger than 5. You go to your table, look for your number here, 7. On the answers, check 7 on the answers. On this part, on the part of multiples. Answers, we call them multiples in mathematics. Check 7 on the multiple. We have 7. We don't have 7. There's no 7. If there's no 7, look a place where you can put 7. 7 will be here. 7 will be here between 5 and 10. 7 is here. Between 5 and 10. 10 is bigger than 7. You drop it. Take a number that is small. The number that is small here is 5. Now you take 5. Take 5, the multiple, the answer, you write below 7. In that manner. You write below 7. This is what you do. Take the multiple, the answer. Write it there. And then which number was multiplied by 5 to get 5. Which number did we multiply here? We multiply 5 by 1. Hence the number is 1. 1 multiplied by 5 gives us what? 5. The number that was multiplied, you take it and write it there. Write it here. These are just arrow direct you, but you don't need to include them in your working. Hence, the number to multiply by 5, which is 1, right there, and the answer obtained, which is 5, right here, and then you subtract. You subtract these two. You have split, remember, 78 into 7. Now we are dealing with the first digit, which is 7. So you take 7, subtract 5, you get 2. Have you seen that? After obtaining 2, you drop the next number, the next single digit, which is 8. You drop it. When you drop 8 here, we are going to have 28. Have you seen that? We are going to have a 28. You go back to your table, check to find 28. Do you have 28? We don't have 28, but 28 will fall in between 25 and 30. Here is where you have 28. What do we do here? You pick a smaller number. That is bigger than 28. You leave it. Take the smaller number. The smaller number is 25. Take 25. Where do you write 25? You write it here. Ask yourself, which number was multiplied by 5 to get 25? The number is 5. Take the number that was multiplied by 5 to get 25 and write it above there. You subtract here. When you subtract, what do you get? 28 minus 25. It is 8 minus 5. This gives you 3. 2 minus 2, 0, which is nothing. So what do you get? That means that 78 divided by 5, you are going to get 15 rem 3. That's your answer. Next example. I do have 89 divided by 7. 89 divided by 7. All you need to do first, you form a table of 7. And in this case, tables are must. Show me your table. You form a table of 7 and write it here. Just aside your number. And you form a table of 7 from 1 to 10. 7 multiplied by 1. 7. 7 multiplied by 2. 14. 7 multiplied by 3. 21. 7 multiplied by 4. 28. 7 multiplied by 5. 35. 7 multiplied by 6. 42. 7 multiplied by 7. 49. 7 multiplied by 8. 56. 7 multiplied by 9. 63. 7 multiplied by 10. 70. Once you have your table, come to your number. We are dividing 89 by 7. 89 is a 2-digit number. You split it into single digits. Into single digits, we are going to have 8 and 9. 8 and 9. Split it. You start operating with the first digit. The first digit is 8. 8 is bigger than 7. And if it is bigger than 7, you go on dividing straight away. If it is small, I will guide you as we move on with our mathematics. Go to your answers. These are the answers. Look for 8 on our answers. Because you are dividing 7 and 8. Look for 8 here. Where do you have 8? You don't have 8. If there's no 8, ask yourself, where will 8 fall? 8 will fall between this group. 7 and 14. 8 is there. Take the number smaller than 8, not bigger. 14 is bigger, you don't take it. You take the smaller number. The smaller number here is 7. So this 7, circle it and write it here, below 8. Which number was multiplied by 7 to get 7? The number was 1. You write here above and subtract here. the first digit was 8. You finish up with 8. Once you are done with 8, you bring the next digit, which is 9. Here subtract to get what? 1. We have done with 8. We have subtracted here. The next step, you bring the next digit. The next digit was 9. You bring it down using that arrow. And then right there to form 19. You have 19, go back to your table. Where do you have 19? We don't have 19, but 19 will be here between 14 and 21. This is where you have 19. 21 is bigger, you don't take it, take 14. This one, right here. Which number was multiplied by 7 to get 14? It was 2. Write it here up. Subtract here. 9 minus 4, 5. 1 minus 1, nothing. So that means that 89 divided by 7 gives you 12. Remainder 5. Still working out. Still working out. We have 56 divided by 5. 56 divided by, let me take 4, divided by 4. You write it well downwards. This will be 56 divided by 4. You form a table of 4. And say I have 4 times 1 is equals to 4. 4 times 2 is equals to 8. 4 times 3 is equals to 12. 4 times 4, 16. 4 times 5, 20. 4 times 6, 24. 4 times 7, 28. 4 times 8, 32. 4 times 9, 36. 4 times 10, 40. Once you have your table, come here and regroup your number into single digits. When you group in single digits, you are going to have 5 and 6. 5 is bigger than 4. 5 is bigger than 4. If it is bigger than 4, you proceed and divide it directly. If it is less than 4, again, I will direct you on how to move forward. You look for 5 in your answers here. On your table, you have your table. Look for 5. Where do you have 5? You don't have 5. Where will 5 be? 5 is somewhere in between 4 and 8. 5 it is there. So you don't take 8 is bigger, take smaller, which is 4. You write it here below 5. Which number was multiplied by 4 to get 4? The number that multiplied by 4 to get 4 is 1. You take it and write it there above 5. Subtract here 4, 5 and 4 to get 1. Drop what? Drop the next digit, which is 6, down to obtain 16. We have 16, go back to your table, check to find out if we have 16. We have 16? Yes, we have 16. You circle it. Plug it 16, write it here, down. Which number was multiplied by 4 to get 16? The number that was multiplied by 4 to get 16 was 4. You take it and write it above there neatly. Then you subtract here 16 minus 16, that is 6 minus 6, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Hence, 56 divided by 4 is equals to 14. This is the answer here. It's equals to 14. Last example. Last one, I do have 36 divided by 3. 36 divided by 3. 36 divided by 3. Form a table of 3. 3 multiplied by 1. This gives you 3. 3 multiplied by 2. 6. 3 multiplied by 4. 3 multiplied by 3 means, 9. 3 multiplied by 4. 12. 3 multiplied by 5. 15. 3 multiplied by 6. 18. 3 multiplied by 7. 21. 3 multiplied by 8. 24. 3 multiplied by 9. 27. 3 multiplied by 10. 30. Group your number into single digits. Split it into single digits. You are going to have 3 and 6. Look for 3 from your table. Yes, you have 3 here. You take it and write it here down. Which number? Ask yourself, which number was multiplied by 10 to get 3? The number that was multiplied by 10 to get 3 was 1. You write it here, and then you subtract here. When you subtract here and 3, you are going to get 0. You drop the next digit. The next digit was 6. You drop it down. You have 6. Go back to your table, look for 6. Do you have 6? Yes, it is here. You circle it and write it here down. Then ask yourself, or check the number that was multiplied by 3 to obtain 6. The number that was multiplied by 3 to obtain 6 was 2. You take it and write it here up. Then subtract this one here to get 0. That means that 36 divided by 3, 36 divided by 3 is equals to 12. Thank you, class 4. This is how you need to carry out division on, and as we move on, we are going to guide you accordingly. Be blessed.